Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a simple and useful English roleplay conversation. This roleplay is perfect for beginners who want to speak English in daily life. We'll see how to speak English at home, at work, on the phone, and while shopping. Each sentence will be in English and Tamil, easy to follow, so you can understand and practice with confidence. Let's get started. Scene 1, Morning at Home.
Good morning, Rojan. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mom. Yes, I slept well. What's for breakfast?
Idli and chutney. Come, let's eat.
Okay, I'm getting ready now.
Scene 2, phone call with a friend.
Phone rings. Hello, Aaron. How are you?
I'm good. Are you free this evening?
Not really. Can I call you back later?
Sure, talk to you later.
Thanks, bye.
Scene 3, at work.
Rojan, did you finish the report?
I'll finish it soon, just need 30 more minutes.
Okay, let me know if you need help.
Thank you, I'll do my best.
Scene 4, shopping.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm just looking. How much is this shirt?
500 rupees.
Can I get a discount?
Okay, 450 rupees for you.
Great, I'll take it. Please give me a bag.
Scene 5, evening chat.
How was your day?
It was good, but I'm feeling tired.
Take some rest.
I will. Thank you, Mom.
I hope this video helped you improve your daily spoken English. Let me know in the comments which scene you liked the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English videos.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.